We don't often ask ourselves the question, what happens if we keep polluting our planet? A variety of environmental problems now affect our entire world. As globalization continues and the Earth's natural process transforms local problems into international issues, few societies are being left untouched by major environmental problems. Some of the largest problems now affecting the world are acid rain, air pollution, global warming, hazardous waste, ozone depletion, smoke, water pollution, overpopulation, and rainforest destruction. Every environmental problem has causes, numerous effects, and most importantly, a solution. Good morning. Good morning, teacher Jorge. How are you?
Hello, yeah, I'm fine. I'm here talking to you, and well, we're gonna have a really great chat.
All right. Well, let's start with you. What do you know about environmental problems?
Well, about the environmental problems, well, as far as I know, here on Monterey we have trash. Okay, for example, we have that there's a lot of pollution, car pollution. There's a lot of smoke, and we can mention several more. For example, the fires on the mountains. They are happening. They happen on the summer, okay, but nowadays they no longer happen, okay, but because we are just out of summer.
Right? And do you used to be part of the problem?
Well, I think that I do. I do because even though I don't want to, when you eat something, okay, there is some kind of waste of that product. For example, the bags of chips, the bags of bread,
Plastic bottles.
yeah, plastic bottles, everything, you are part of it. But the thing is, if you decide to put it away or just to throw it away on streets or throw it away on special containers, that will be the difference.
Okay. Do you use to contribute with a solution for this problem?
Well, yes, I don't like to throw away the trash that I have that I produce on streets. I prefer to do it on special containers.
You walk instead using a car.
Oh yes, yeah, I do because first of all, I don't have a car. Second of all, that's my means of transportation.
Oh, what did you use to do to contribute with a solution?
Oh well, I have a program here at high school, which is the Go Green project that started. I think started a lot like 1 year ago, and it's about reforesting, the woods here in Garcia. We have that program. Yeah, I think that's something okay, that I can contribute with.
Okay. Do you think we will have a better future, or if everyone does that?
Uh, well, it depends. If we work right now, we may have a better future. But if we don't work or if we don't do something just to be more conscious or to generate a conscience among people, we're not going to have a future. Or yes, we're going to have it, but it'll be with a lot of pollution.
Every day, the average person inhales about 2,000 liters of air. Every time we breathe, we risk inhaling dangerous chemicals that have found their way into the air. What do you think about it?
So you say about the air we breathe, right? And every time we breathe, we risk inhaling dangerous chemicals that we have found their way into the air. Well, we cannot do anything. We don't have. At least I don't have a car. But anyway, I like to do exercise. And in the meantime, I was doing the daily life. You need to breathe, okay? But at this time, there's nothing I can do. Okay, the most powerful people that they have, I don't know, a lot of companies they generate a lot of pollution.
They are polluting.
Yeah, they're polluting my air, they're polluting your air, and we cannot do anything because they pay a lot of money to governments. Yeah,
We can do it.
we cannot. Yes, unfortunately, we cannot.
What do you think about the environmental problems? Global warming, acid rain, air and water pollution.
Okay, the global warming, I think there's nothing we can do either. because that's first of all that's a natural process, and the Earth in the past ages, the Earth has been through several ages. One was the Ice Age, and then after that it goes like this. It was hot, and then it was really cold, and then it's going again, getting cold. I mean hotter. And right now we are on that point. Okay, that's going to happen, even though we don't want it or not. Okay. Now the acid rain, I think that with the acid rain, there's no other option because even though we don't produce that much gases, the companies and the more powerful people here in Monterey or in other world, they are generating a lot of pollution. So, I mean, if the government is interested in our future, they are the ones that they must and they do. They must do something about that. That's it. What is the other problem?
Acid rain.
Acid rain. Yeah, and I think it's the same thing. If they are polluting the air, the weather is doing the thing, and the seasons are coming, are going, and the rain comes. And the rain comes, and the rain has to fall. It needs to fall. So that happens.
Would you like to give one last comment? Aware people of what is happening?
Well, yes, I would like to give an advice for for all people, for me included, that we need to work because you're going to be the next generation. You're going to be the next people that is going to decide about the future of Mexico, especially here in Monterrey and Garcia. I would recommend you to be more conscious about the problems we're facing and be more conscious about what do we do, if we are part of the problem or we are part of the solution. That's it.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much. See you later.